What's up, everybody? It's your girl Glenda with Whatcha Cookin Glenda, and we are back for another video. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that your notification bell is on and you have selected all so that you can be reminded of every video that we upload. Now, on today's video, I'm showing you how to make my buttered pecan bundlettes. I'm gonna add a little swirl up in there, for you. But I'm using the bundlet pan right here. I always think they look so pretty. There's your bundlet pan. And if you saw my last video, I used the bigger version of this for the Oreo cake. If you saw my last video. So that is a Nordic ware. I saved this one here. It's a Nordic ware. Let's see if I can get a close up. There you go. Nordic ware bundlet. And it's part of the, I can't even see. What does it say? Let me see. It says the Heritage Mini Pan. Alright. In case you want to get you one, got it from Amazon. And I'm showing you because if we forget to put the link in the description box, at least I told you. Alright, so for this cake, what we're using, we're shortcutting today, and we're going to use the Duncan Hines, this is Betty Crocker Delight Super Moist Butter Pecan Cake Mix. Alright, now, as you all know, when I make my cakes, I don't really make them per the directions. So in this cake, we're adding some cinnamon, some sour cream, milk instead of water. I'm adding some French vanilla pudding mix to it, even though there is pudding in this cake mix already. We're adding 3 eggs, some vanilla extract, and some pecans. Right here. These pecans are already in pieces. Alright? And we're definitely going to add some butter to the cake. You need butter for a butter pecan cake. Let's get started. Alright, so we are back. We're going in with our our package of butter pecan cake mix and our package of French vanilla instant jello pudding mix. We're also going to go in with our milk. This is some carnation milk. It probably has about this much left in it, so I'm gonna use this plus what I have. But that was probably half a cup of milk, if even that. The first bit. So we'll just add that much more. We'll see what else we need. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. I'm going to add about a cup of sour cream. And I just have a tablespoon right here. Then I'm gonna do just a couple of big tablespoons right there. Alright, we're going to go in with our cinnamon. Let me wipe my hands. I'm going to go in with just a few shakes of cinnamon. I'm going to pour some of this butter. Go ahead and get that in there. And then I'm going to use Let me shake some of this cinnamon in there. All right, I'm gonna go in with just like my handful, which is probably about 3/4 of a cup. Couple handfuls of pecans. If you want more, put pecans, because even though that is a buttered pecan mix, it does not have pecans in it. I know, it don't make sense. It don't make sense at all. So definitely, when you purchase that mix, get you some pecans, or you will be thoroughly disappointed when you get home to make it. Cause ain't no pecans in it, dog. So the next thing I'm gonna do is add some brown sugar to this. I told you guys, we're making it our own. Don't really follow the directions on the back of the box. I'm just going in. Just a little sprinkle. We don't want it to be too candied. So, and then we're going to give it a mix. And I probably shouldn't have put those pecans in there right then, but I did. So let's see what it do. I should have spooned it. All right, so we're back. We're gonna use our Baker's Joy to grease our dish. All right. All right, so we're just gonna take our mixture, and here's our mixture, our butter pecan mixture. And I'm gonna take my ice cream scoop right here and try to spoon it in as best I can. If it don't work, then we will definitely just be using a spoon. Yeah, I don't like how that's gonna go in. It's a little thick. So we're back. Here is our bundtlets, our butter pecan bundtlets, and we're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for probably, you know what? Until the toothpick comes out clean. So 350 degrees. See you in a little bit. So we are back with our butter pecan bundtlets. And we have flipped them over, and voila! Ooh, that looks so good. That looks so good. I have so much more batter left, but and I'm gonna make a lot more of these, probably like 12 more. But I'm just gonna take this drizzle right here and drizzle it over the top. And what this drizzle is just some powdered sugar, vanilla flavoring, and a little bit of milk. You can make it however sweet you prefer. Beautiful, they look delicious. They look really good. All right, y'all. So here are my buttered pecan bundtlets. And I'm gonna come right back and I'm gonna let Curtis taste one of these, because we have plenty more to cook. So here you are. That's what they look like. All right, so we going in for the taste test. Curtis is gonna taste these bad boys right there. Let me get a good picture of these. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What? That is off the chain. You already picked out which one you want. Taste it on camera, okay? Let me zoom out a tad bit. All right, Curtis.
Swallow the pecans that weren't chewed.
What?
I'm gonna swallow some pecans that weren't chewed. It's really good. It's buttery and yeah. Really good. I gave it a thumbs up. That the batter is very pillowy.
Can you taste the brown sugar in there? You can? And the cinnamon? Awesome.
One thing I like about these, is that in the mold, it doesn't go all the way through.
Yeah.
So it holds.
It's holding that icing in there.
Like a cup.
That glaze.
So,
dipping it. Let me try. Okay, I'm gonna try. This Bundtlet right here. This Bundtlet right here is buttery. I can taste the cinnamon. I can taste the brown sugar. Of course, the pecans. I don't know what kind of description you was giving, Curtis. But baby, it is nice and soft. Look at that. Moist.
but you can't have on my butt.
Oh my God. I tell you what, if you're not making these, I don't know what you're doing. But if you want to see more videos like this, let your girl know and I'm gonna hook you up. In the meantime, in between time, stay blessed, have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Make sure you try out these recipes and you post them on our social media sites, and make sure you tag us, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.